What's the meaning of butler? Butler. Butler.
Butler. Butler. A butler is a domestic servant who typically works in a large, wealthy household and is responsible for managing the household staff and overseeing the serving of meals and events. The position of butler is often seen as one of the most prestigious jobs in the service industry, requiring a high level of training and experience. A butler is expected to have excellent organizational and interpersonal skills, as well as a keen attention to detail and an ability to anticipate the needs and preferences of their employer. Overall, a butler is a highly skilled and respected member of a household staff.